Hey guys, this video will talk about email automation. This feature automates your tasks in managing your subscribers. It also saves time in dealing with thousands of emails and lists. To begin your automation, go to your email dashboard and click on Automations. Then click on the New Automation button. You can choose any of these ready-made templates for automating your email activities, but in our case, we are going to create one from scratch. So, click on Blank Slate. Now, set your automation name and a trigger that will activate the automation. The trigger can be based on a number of email activities, such as when a subscriber joins a list, a segment, makes a purchase, and so on. Our trigger will be activated when a subscriber joins a list. You then want to set an email list for your automation. In our case, we are going to choose an email list for a subscription form. Let me explain what I mean by this with an example. If you visit this site, you will be greeted with a subscription form which will collect your email and assign you to an email list. We will name this email list Dogan User. So if you sign up on this form, your email will be listed in the Dogan User email list. Moving on, enable this option if you want to repeat this automation process for subscribers who rejoin the same list. Now hit the Create Automation button. So here is our first step when a subscriber joins a list after signing up on our website subscription form. Now let's click on the plus sign to add a delay of 1 day. Be sure to hit save to save this very step. Every step you add to your automation must be saved. Click on the plus sign to add another step, and this time we will make our automation send an email to this email list. So set the name, subject, and pre-header of your email. Then set the address of your email. You can also set your UTM campaign if needed. Then, click on Design Email and choose an email template. Click on Continue if you are happy with the template. As you can see, the process will now include sending an email as the third step of our automation. After the email is sent, we will add a delay of 2 days because, as you know, it's not wise to be sending emails every day. So add the delay and hit save to save your progress. For our automation, a condition will be added to help filter out users who are inactive. So click on the plus sign and click on Condition. We are setting the condition to all users and set the rules to campaign activities. Our campaign activities will be judged based on those who opened our campaigns. Set the option to aggregate if you want to set the activity based on the number of campaigns or the number of days. You can set the option to send if you want your automation to judge only on a specific campaign. For this video, we're going to make our automation judge the campaign activity based on the last 5 days and hit save. Now, if the campaign activity has been opened by the subscriber, which is a yes for this condition, then we will assign a tag to this subscriber. So for this, we will click on the Action button and click on Apply a Tag to assign a tag, which in our case is called Active User, and hit Save. Now, what if the subscriber does not open any of the last 5 campaigns? In our case, we are going to remove this inactive subscriber from the Dogan list, which the subscriber had joined at the beginning. By the way, you can zoom in or zoom out if there are multiple steps. Now moving on, click on the Action button again and select Remove from List. Then set your desired list from which the inactive subscriber will be removed from and hit Save. We are done with our steps. Let's recap the automation we have set to make our email marketing activity simple. This automation will be triggered when a user joins a list called Book on User. Then, our automation will wait for a day and send an email. In the fourth step, our automation will wait for 2 days. After 2 days, a condition will be applied that judges whether this subscriber has opened any last 5 campaigns. If the subscriber opened any of the last 5 campaigns, which is a yes as shown, then a tag is applied to this subscriber. If the subscriber does not open any of the last 5 campaigns, then this subscriber will be removed from the list. Lastly, when you are done setting everything, be sure to activate this automation. As you can see, this automation is now active, and if you click on it, you will be able to see the results of your automation. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the Help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. And that's it. Feel free to contact for more information or check out getweemail.io and subscribe to our channel.